table, making sure that it's free of dirt. Later I'm going to be wiping off the chairs as well. So all items that you're going to paint, make sure they're free of any dirt. To make it easier, we decided to use our spray gun with our compressor. We took the chairs outside, and here, this is what my husband doing. He's doing the second coat right now. This is the second coat of the paint for the table. I do not advise doing this in the house. If you are able to take your chair, table, whatever you are painting, or if you're going to use a spray gun, I advise to take this outside. Even though I am a shield here, it did not help. We had paint everywhere. So the painting has been done, and I decided to use my 220 sand block and get all the excess paint or get some edges done, but it did not bring out my distress. So I wound up using later a 60 by 80 sand block to bring out more of the distress of the tables and chairs. So here you can see, using the 60 by 80 sand block, you can see the distress is coming out. So I'm done sanding. I done sand the tables, I done sand the chairs, stretched it a little. I did that one a lot. It's white. I sand this part too, just to get it smooth. I'm gonna do a little bit more in here. And then we glossing, and then we'll be done. So here my husband is using the spray gun to put on the matte finish for the table. I did not like the matte finish, you guys. So I went to Home Depot and I found a fast drying water-based polyurethane in satin, and I love the finish. This is my all-time new favorite finish here. So later you will see the results of me using the satin finish compared to the matte. So here you see me removing the seat cushion with this handy dandy tool that I got from Home Depot. It was right by the staple guns. It made removing the seat cushions quick and smooth and easy. So here you see I did round up changing the foam of the cushions. The other ones was old and I decided to just, do away with those. With the fabric, I pull and staple the fabric on all four sides in the middle first. are all done, you guys. My kitchen table makeover. I absolutely love the turnout, you guys. It turned out really well. I love the distress that I put on it. The color of the chair cushions is kind of like a little hunter green, gray, navy blue in there. I love those colors. The distress again. The finish on the table, the satin finish, I love it. I also did a little something different in the middle there, added a little color to it. You guys, I absolutely enjoy doing this piece. It was a long time coming, but we finished it. Yay! Let me know in the comments below how you like my table makeover. And if you have done this, let me know how did yours turn out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell somebody about me, why don't you? Bye-bye.